Okay? So I just turned my grandmother's vintage bicycle into a high-speed electric bike in literally 90 seconds. No tools, no mechanical skills, just clip, twist, and suddenly I'm cruising at 28 miles per hour past confused pedestrians. And that's not even the craziest thing I'm showing you today. I've spent the last 3 weeks testing gadgets that most people will never see in a regular store, and honestly, some of these feel illegal to own. I'm talking about a device that can test Wi-Fi network security, a robot that physically follows you around with a camera, and a projector that costs more than my first car, but might actually be worth it. Stick around until the end because the last gadget I'm revealing isn't even on this list, and it's something I literally use every single day. But first, smash that like button and subscribe, because finding this stuff takes serious digging, and your support keeps these videos coming. Trust me, you'll want to save this one. Let's get into it. Bike motor kit. Let me start with the gadget that genuinely changed my daily commute. This compact electric motor kit transforms any regular bicycle into a legitimate e-bike in under 2 minutes. And I'm not exaggerating the time. I tested it on 3 different bikes, including my friend's expensive road bike, and it mounted perfectly every single time without requiring a single tool or modification. Here's why this matters. Decent electric bikes start at $1,500 and most of them are heavy, bulky, and honestly pretty ugly. This kit costs just $360, weighs less than 5 pounds, and delivers 750 watts of power with 30 to 60 miles of range depending on your battery configuration and riding conditions. That's competitive range with most dedicated e-bikes at 3 times the price. The installation is genuinely foolproof. It mounts to your bike frame like those old-school bottle generators people use for bike lights, connects to your rear wheel with a friction drive, and boom, instant electric assistance. You control everything through a wireless throttle that straps to your handlebar. I've put almost 200 miles on mine in 3 weeks, and the only complaint I have is that I didn't find this sooner. If you already own a bike you love, this is absolutely the move. Synco wireless monitor. Now let's talk about something that solved a problem I didn't even realize was driving me insane. When you're filming yourself with your phone's back camera, you're essentially shooting completely blind, just hoping you're actually in the frame and properly focused. I've wasted hours of footage because I was slightly out of frame or the focus drifted without me knowing. The Synco M4 is a wireless monitor that magnetically attaches to your phone and mirrors your screen in real time so you can finally see exactly what you're recording while you're recording it. It's like ripping the flip screen off a professional vlogging camera and just sticking it onto your iPhone or Android device. But here's the genius part. You can detach the monitor and hold it in your hand while your phone stays mounted on a tripod, checking your framing from up to 164 feet away. I use this for every single video now, and it's eliminated probably 90% of my reshoots. At $45 to $59 depending on where you buy it, this costs less than dinner for 2, but it'll save you literally hours of frustration. Content creators, this is non-negotiable. Trexxo Wheels Go. Speaking of content creation, I need to show you something that legitimately feels like cheating. The Trexxo Wheels Go is essentially a tiny robot cameraman that follows voice commands and tracks your face using AI, physically driving left and right to keep you centered in frame automatically. I tested this thing for 2 weeks, and the tracking is surprisingly accurate. You can tell it to slide left, and it immediately motors in that direction. Tell it to circle around a product for B-roll footage, and it smoothly handles the entire movement without any manual control. It even has preset motion paths you can activate with simple voice commands. Here's what makes this actually useful instead of just gimmicky. Professional camera sliders cost $300 to $800 and require manual operation. Hiring a camera operator for even a simple shoot costs at least $200 for a few hours. This motorized dolly costs $229 one time, fits in a backpack, and works whenever you need it. For solo creators shooting product reviews, cooking videos, or fitness content, this thing is an absolute game changer. I've already used mine on 4 different video projects, and the production value increase is immediately noticeable. A Casis SSD enclosure. Quick question, how many times have you needed to edit video on your iPhone but ran out of storage, or wanted to connect to an external monitor but didn't have the right adapter, or needed to transfer massive files but the wireless transfer was painfully slow? The Casis SSD enclosure solves all of those problems simultaneously. It's a magnetic external drive that snaps onto your iPhone and delivers 10 gigabytes per second transfer speeds, which is absolutely ridiculous for something this compact. But it's also a 6-in-1 USB hub with HDMI output, SD card readers, USB-A ports, and charging pass-through. I've been using this as my mobile editing workstation. I shoot video directly to the SSD to save phone storage, plug into hotel TVs to review footage on a big screen, and transfer files to clients without waiting for cloud uploads. At $60, it basically transforms your iPhone into a legitimate portable production studio. If you create any kind of content with your phone, this is $60 extremely well spent. Sound Blaster Reimagine. Now let's get weird. The Sound Blaster Re. Imagine looks like it escaped from a cyberpunk movie. It's a completely modular audio interface where you literally snap magnetic control blocks together like high-tech Lego to build your custom mixing setup. Need a volume fader for your microphone? Snap it on. Want a rotary knob for music volume? Snap. Touchscreen for advanced controls? It magnetically attaches wherever you want. You can completely rearrange your entire control interface on the fly, depending on whether you're streaming, recording a podcast, or just listening to music. The absolutely bonkers feature is the built-in DOS emulator that lets you play classic games like Doom right on the tiny screen while simultaneously mixing your audio. There's also an AI DJ that generates royalty-free background music in real time, which is perfect for streamers who can't afford music licensing. At $329, this isn't cheap, but it's genuinely like having a professional audio studio that you can physically rebuild to match your workflow. For streamers, podcasters, or music producers who want ultimate control and customization, this thing is phenomenal. CorePlus Swappable Battery. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you were somewhere important, airport, conference, outdoor event, and your phone died because you couldn't find an outlet, or your power bank ran out of juice because you'd already drained it earlier? The CorePlus fixes this with something I've never seen before, a swappable battery system. It's a 27,000 milliamp hour power bank with a real AC outlet built in, so you can plug in actual wall chargers, laptops, cameras, or any device that normally needs wall power. But here's the innovation. The battery module detaches completely, so you can swap in a fresh battery in about 5 seconds, exactly like reloading a magazine. You can carry multiple battery modules and essentially have unlimited power anywhere. I tested this on a camping trip where I ran a laptop, charged 3 phones, and powered LED lights for 3 straight days without touching an outlet. It delivers 200 watts through the AC socket, which is enough for most small electronics. At $119 and shipping in February, this is perfect for anyone tired of power anxiety. Photographers, digital nomads, and anyone who works remotely, this eliminates the outlet hunt completely. Phototag with e-ink. Here's a genius idea that seems obvious once you see it. Regular Bluetooth trackers like AirTags help you find your lost stuff, but they don't help the person who finds your stuff contact you. They just see a random tracker with no information. The phototag tracker has an e-ink display built directly into it where you can write your contact information, your name, even upload a custom image that only you would recognize. Someone finds your lost backpack, they immediately see exactly who to call or email without needing to figure out some app-based system. I've attached these to my camera bag, luggage, and keys. The e-ink display uses virtually no battery, so it stays visible for months without charging. You can update the displayed information wirelessly whenever you need to change your contact details. At $33, this is such a simple upgrade over regular trackers that actually makes recovery realistic instead of just theoretically possible. Code Dot. Alright, this next one looks innocent, but it's surprisingly powerful. The Code Dot resembles a children's toy, but it's actually a fully functional development and security testing device that can control smart home gadgets, test Wi-Fi networks for security vulnerabilities, and run custom code you program directly onto it. Before you get worried, this is designed for ethical security testing and tech education, not malicious hacking. I've used mine to check my own network security, automate smart home routines, and even control small robots through voice commands using OpenAI integration. The full-color display makes it way more user-friendly than those old-school command line hacking tools that look intimidating. It fits in your pocket, runs on a rechargeable battery, and comes preloaded with useful security and automation scripts. At $129, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for anyone who loves to tinker with technology. Just promise you'll use your powers for good, not neighborhood Wi-Fi mischief. Cheer Controller. Quick one for my fellow fidgeters. The Cheer Controller is a wireless mouse that doubles as the world's most productive fidget toy. You can wave it in the air to control your cursor during presentations, click through slides from across the room, or scroll through content without touching your computer. When you're not actively using it for work, all the buttons and scroll wheels still click and spin, giving you something to do with your hands that doesn't look completely unprofessional during Zoom calls. It's currently on Kickstarter for around $60, and honestly, it's perfect for anyone who constantly clicks pens or fidgets during meetings. It satisfies the fidget urge while actually being functional. Nebula X 1 Pro Projector. Okay, now for the showstopper. The Nebula X1 Pro is what happens when someone decides portable projectors need to stop being toys and start being legitimate home theater replacements. This thing looks like a professional flight case on wheels, and it pumps out 3,500 lumens. That's brighter than most fixed installation projectors. But here's what makes it insane. It comes with a complete 7.1.4 channel wireless speaker system that delivers 400 watts of total power. That's 14 individual speakers engineered into this complete theater system, delivering legitimate surround sound without requiring any external speakers or soundbar. I set this up in my backyard for a movie night, and neighbors 3 houses away came over asking what theater system I'd installed. It's running liquid cooling to stay completely quiet while projecting 4K resolution onto screens up to 300 inches. That's a 25-foot diagonal image. I've been using this for Sunday football with friends, and it's genuinely more impressive than going to sports bars with their wall-mounted TVs. Now, the price. It's $4,999, which is absolutely not for everyone, but here's the perspective. A decent home theater projector costs $2,000, a quality surround sound system costs another $1,500, and neither is portable. This combines both into something you can wheel into your backyard, a friend's house, or even take camping. If you're the person who hosts movie nights or watch parties, this will make you an absolute legend. I'm not saying you need this, but I'm saying every time I use it, someone asks where they can buy one. Wooben flashlights. Before we get to my secret bonus recommendation, quick shout out to Wooben flashlights because these are way more thoughtful than regular flashlights. The G5 is super compact with a rotating head that's perfect for detail work and weird angles. The X4 is bigger and pushes 1,500 lumens for serious area lighting. Both have magnetic bases so you can stick them to metal surfaces and work hands-free, plus RGB modes for photography lighting or visibility in emergencies. They're $20 to $40, and both are just way better designed than the generic flashlights most people settle for. Not groundbreaking, but definitely worth knowing about. Retro keyboard. Last official item. If you miss the satisfying mechanical click of old typewriters but can't give up modern connectivity, this retro mechanical keyboard perfectly blends 1950s aesthetics with current technology. It connects to multiple devices simultaneously via Bluetooth, has customizable RGB lighting, and includes a cradle at the top for your tablet or phone. The shiny vintage lever actually controls brightness or volume, making every adjustment feel tactile and genuinely satisfying. At around $100, it's like having your grandmother's writing desk upgraded for the cyberpunk era. It's not necessary, but it makes typing feel like an event instead of a chore. Bonus reveal and closing. Alright, now for the gadget I promised at the beginning, the one I actually use every single day that didn't make the main list. It's a magnetic cable management system from a company called SnapWrap. Sounds boring, I know, but hear me out. It's these tiny magnetic cable organizers that stick to your desk, wall, or car, and they hold your charging cables exactly where you need them. No more cables falling behind furniture, no more tangled messes, no more hunting for your charger. I have them at my desk, nightstand, and car, and it's one of those simple quality of life upgrades that you don't appreciate until you have it. They're like $12 for a pack, and I'm mentioning them because it's those small, cheap solutions that often make the biggest daily impact. Link is in the description with everything else. Look, most of this stuff you'll never see in mainstream stores because it's too weird, too niche, or too innovative for Best Buy's shelves. But if you want technology that actually improves your life instead of just sitting in a drawer, this is where you find it. Drop a comment telling me which gadget you're most interested in, or if you know about something even crazier that I should check out. And seriously, subscribe because I'm constantly hunting for this stuff, and you'll want to see what I find next.